If you've been exploring ways to earn money online, you've probably heard of affiliate marketing. But did you know that promoting digital products is more profitable and hassle-free compared to physical one? Today, I'm going to show you how to become an affiliate for digital products on Gumroad. But why digital products? For one, they offer higher profit margins since there are no shipping or manufacturing costs. Plus, you don't have to worry about inventory, returns, or customer service. Tis a streamlined way to earn passive income. And with platforms like Gumroad, getting started is easier than ever. Stick around and I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. So, let's get started. If you're new to digital products, Gumroad must be familiar to you. For those who didn't know, Gumroad is a platform where creators can sell digital products like ebooks, courses, software, and more. It's simple, user-friendly, and supports creators of all sizes. Becoming affiliate on Gumroad allows you to promote other creators' digital products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Let me show you how to get started. First, head over to gumroad.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're in, this is what it looks like. To become an affiliate marketer, click on the Products and select Affiliated. Click on Affiliate button. And in the affiliate link generator here is where you generate your special link. So whenever your audiences click on the link and make a purchase, you'll get the 20 to 30% commissions. Let's make an example. If you go to my Gumroad shop, which is hukio.gumroad.com, there's a bunch of products you choose and make it as your affiliate. Let's pick one. Let's say you want to promote this Notion Task Manager template. You can just open this product and copy the link. Go back to your affiliate site, paste the link here to generate your special link. Click on Generate, voila. This is your affiliate link. As you can see here, this number is your special affiliate code that Gumroad generate for you. You can use the link generated and promote it at your social media. You need to bear in mind that not every creators offer an affiliate program, so you can always check if the product is eligible for affiliate. Let's test this. Go to Discover tab and I'll select this product. I'll copy this product link and back to my affiliate space. I'll paste the link here to check if the product is eligible for me to become affiliate. If it's eligible, you can just copy the link here and use it to promote. This already your affiliate link, so you don't have to generate link like I showed you before. But if the product is not eligible, you can request to the creator that you're interested to become their affiliate. You can just go to their Gumroad shop and add /affiliates like this, so you tell them why you're interested to be part of them and help them promote their products. Once you're done, click on Submit Affiliate Request button, and all you can do is wait for them to respond to your request. Commonly, they will respond it through email. Now let's set up your payout. If you want to learn more about payout, you can read the details in the Payout tab and click on Learn More about how Gumroad make the payment. To set up your payment account, go to Settings here and select Payments. Currently, Gumroad only offers two, which is PayPal and Stripe. Personally, I use PayPal because Stripe is not available in my country. Proceed on connecting your PayPal/Stripe account with Gumroad by following the instructions. Once it's connected, you can start promote products, and total sales you made will be sent to your account on Friday every week. And that's it. It's a straightforward way to start making money online by promoting products you genuinely believe in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.